ginagawa mo? Meron akong Oreo na chocolate cream Pikachu.
Yan, hindi mo pa.
If you want to drink a juice, then you're gonna need a cup. If you don't have a cup, then you need to buy a cup. If you want to buy a cup, then you need at least $1. If you don't have $1, then you need to find a job. If you can't find a job, then you need to go.
Oh.
We're doing something we've never done before, because today we're spinning a wheel of emojis. We'll have to disguise and hide in correlation to our emoji. I really hope I got the ice face emoji, because I'm just too cold. Today in Brookhaven Hide and Seek, Bella, you know the rules. We're gonna spin a wheel, and whatever emoji it lands on, you have to make a disguise and hide in a location that best.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Ang lakas ng ano mo, dighay mo. Gwa! Dighay ba naman ni Yana? Gwa! Nagulat ka, Bi? Oh, nagulat daw si Kuya Elijah sa dighay mo, di. Gwa! Gwa! Una. Oh, nagulat daw si Kuya Elijah. Kuya Elijah, tinitigan ni Ate Eliana yung ano kain mo. Hindi, pag kumain ka na, meron ka ding pagkain. Pag kumain ka na, kayo na ni Kuya. Pag kumain ka ng chicken, dalawa na kayo. Pag kumain ka ng french fries, dalawa na kayo. Kasama si Nainay doon. Hiro ko lang, ha? Pang baby lang yun. Pang wala lang yun. Dalawa na sa ibilyan ni Mama dan ni Papa. Ano, Eliana? Yana. Dalawa na sa ibilyan ni Mama dan ni Papa. Si Kuya Elijah dan Ate Eliana. Dalawa na ibilyan ni Tintin dan ni Janjan na pagkain. Si Ate dan ni Kuya. Ano? Si Ate dan ni Kuya, ibilyan ni Mama dan ni Papa. Eh si Nainay. Kasama ba si Nainay? Wala na. Eliana Jane Baltasar Antido. And Elijah Yuan Baltasar Antido. Ang ganda ng pangalan nyo. Oh. Ubusin mo na pang gede mo. Ubusin mo na, Ubusin mo na. Ubusin mo na. Uy! Asakay! Hoy! I-video mo kung natong bastos ka.
Now I'm as rich as they get. Bro, if you're actually in the vault, you're an idiot, bro. Give me this green card. I'm heading up. We're actually at the vault. Look at C4. Hey, let's explode this thing.